Hello, and welcome to Home Instead Pasadena. My name is Dr. Greg Sanchez, and I'm the owner and director here, and I'd like to give you a tour of our operations at our Pasadena location. Every day, our case management team, which includes gerontologists, licensed social workers, and individuals that specialize in behavioral management, get together to understand the cases that they're working on, to identify appropriate training for our caregiving staff, train those individuals, and then ensure that there's quality throughout the entire experience.
Through an email if you don't have a phone number.
Our scheduling team consists of 3 individuals whose sole responsibility is to ensure the quality of the match that they make with the caregiver and the client, as well as ensuring the safety of that caregiver and client during their time together.
She has the availability of the skills that we need.
I'd like to welcome you to our newest expansion area, which is our Human Resources Suite. We have recently gone ahead and taken over a 1,200 square foot area here in our office space at 200 East Del Mar, and we have devoted it to the hiring, onboarding, and engagement of our employees.
Can you tell me a little bit about your experience with your
At Home Instead Pasadena, we have a strong commitment to our employees, and we want to ensure that they have the resources in order to be successful. From our expansive training program, which includes online and in-house trainings, to having benefits counseling with our HR generalists, as well as dealing with some of the challenges when it comes to an employee relations. It is our commitment to our employees that really has driven our expansion of this new HR area. When we're looking for candidates for caregivers, we really follow 3 pillars of characteristics that we're looking for: building trust, taking the lead, and sharing our heart. Those are the key aspects that our human resource generalists and recruiters look for when they're trying to identify qualified caregiving candidates. Several of our clients have asked us, how do we gauge employee satisfaction? We utilize a system called Listen 360. It allows us to refine the benefits that we offer our employees and the interactions that we have with our employees. It's because here at Home Instead Pasadena, employee feedback really does matter.